traders, hi. I hope everyone's had a great week. Some of you, if you're watching in a different time zone to me, I'm in Australia, I'm in Perth, so it's like GMT +8, so it's nearly, wherever you are though, it's nearly NFP time, so in about half an hour, so I'll make this quick, because I've got a webinar I need to get to as well, so this is slightly compromised because what happened was I went to about 100 months just before this. I made a previous video for about 6 minutes, but then I'm sometimes for some reason I didn't close down the laptop. I just shut the screen, and sometimes what happens is this will freeze up. So I'll press F3, and I can't interact with any of that though. So that was frustrating because I was like, a month in, I was like, feeling good. So I know when the trade's coming up, but we'll still continue on. I don't know what that's about. Wow, I didn't notice that huge gap. I think it's pretty much closed it though. A little concerning. Anyway, so we're at the 4 hour. Yeah, so sorry guys, I'll bring this across. 99 months processed, 58% win rate, 7.94% return. I think previous test was no trades, but the second last was a losing trade. All right, we're doing it, we're testing, we're back testing. So I know a vague idea when it's coming up, but I don't. I might have even said it's about 100 months, but I don't know whether or not it's going to be a winner or loser because I went to take the trade and it wouldn't, wouldn't interact with the screen. I'm drinking orange Coke tonight. Very weak caffeine content. A pretty big day today. I had a night shift. Then had a quick turnaround to today's shift. Well, maybe it's past 100. I think it was that. Or it was that. It was that. Okay. Well. Hey. Why is it doing that? Why is it all gappy? Why are you all gappy, man? What are you doing? Alright, that would have triggered. I'm just concerned about the gap though. I don't know if the data is compromised. Anyway, we'll continue on. No trade taken so far, everyone. Oh, that's a pretty nice one. I think that was it. That was it. Because I remember it was closer to the midline, the actual candle, the trigger candle itself. Yeah, I think this is it. So we'll get 10 pips above the high. Alright, this is good. It's a quicker video. 179, 470. That was quite a large trade previously. Yep, make sure that's disabled. Alright. Nice and warm in the office tonight. I do have the heater on. I've succumbed. I'm weak. I tried my best to be a stinge and save on power, but no, it's running tonight. Place order. Okay, I'm happy with that. What I'll do before I actually proceed with the trade, though, is I'll make sure it's not headed straight into resistance. I don't think it was. Previously I did zoom out on this. No, cancel order. Cancel order didn't trigger. That was the candle though. That was it. It didn't trigger. 100.34 months process. We'll try and keep this concise. What I'll do is I'll do some analysis after this video, which means I just go through my winning and losing trades for the week with my back testing. I've already gone over the USD CAD demo trade, so we won't need to go over that. It's a different segment, but that's not as frequent because I don't. Some months I'll do one trade, so that's. I'm watching this. Is there expansion? It's too close, and there's not. It's quite high above the midline here, which would indicate to me that it's a bit overbought, and it was close to. Yes, see what I mean? So that it probably wouldn't have closed me out, but it would have been goddamn close. Friday night, yes. You're probably asking yourself, Scott, do you have a life? Well, this is sort of, my second job right now. So not really, because I work, pretty much a full-time job outside of this. So at the airport. I don't mind that. I don't mind that at all. Oh, we're quite close to. My concern is it's very flat. I like this. Yeah, I'm just gonna pass. Oh, come on, man. That's a little frustrating when you call it and it goes and it is a winning trade, but that's all right. I just sort of peter out a little bit, but it did extend out a little, so that would have been a wiener. It just feels good when you win, but when you lose a trade, it's something out of the world. As long as you follow the rules and you don't, you don't freak out and get emotional and overtrade, revenge trade, all that sort of stuff. 101.48 months processed. This is not really okay. So it's if we can break through here and get expansion, I'd like that, because there's a whole lot of room between this resistance zone and the next one, and on the daily it's uptrending. So it's held. It needs to. I mean, it has cleared this. It has cleared the previous highs. Yep. You know why? Because in my gut reaction wasn't great. I'm a novice trader. Typically going against that isn't the worst idea. Right. Candle structure is not great, but we're still going to go 10 pips above the high. Stop loss. And here 270. Make sure that's modified. Alright, 37. Alright, so if it doesn't trigger, that's the situation, but we'll see what happens here. Nope, I want to enable that, please. 70. 70. So that's the beauty of a pending order. If I did a market buy, it would have been tears. It would have been, yeah. So like I thought, I mean, normally high probability is, that was pretty aggressive. You'd wait for it to come back down and then go off again. So you draw a box. If I can add a shape, so you go like that, and then you'd wait for it to come back down and then go off again. And that's much higher probability than just getting the first breakout. That's what Walter teaches. So something. All right. So it's going to be 102. 102, no trades, but I will make note of when I did the cancelled orders, guys, as well. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to interact with me. Instagram is Scotty's Trading. Twitter, which I share with Connor, which we do the podcast, and we share some insights into our trading. We're both trying to become professional traders. That is at Trade Talk Pippin. And obviously YouTube is Scotty's Trading. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a good Friday. Bye.